Owning a home can be part of the American dream. However, don't buy a house just because everyone else is doing it. Don't feel pressured by what others are doing. You need to be financially ready to buy a house. Home ownership is a big responsibility that comes with many costs. Make sure you are prepared for these costs before buying. Don't let buying a house put you in a bad spot financially. Before you even think about buying a house, it's crucial to take a step back and evaluate your financial situation. Get your finances in order by reviewing your income, expenses, and any outstanding debts. Do you have an emergency fund? This is a critical component of financial preparedness. An emergency fund is a must-have before buying a home. It acts as a financial safety net. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved in an emergency fund. This will give you peace of mind. This money will protect you if something unexpected happens, like a sudden job loss or medical emergency. Unexpected expenses come with owning a home. These can range from minor fixes to major repairs. For instance, your air conditioner could break down in the middle of summer, or the roof might need repairs after a storm. These repairs are costly and often unavoidable. Your emergency fund will help you cover these costs without derailing your financial stability. Without an emergency fund, you could end up in debt, struggling to make ends meet. Financial preparedness is key to a secure and stress-free homeownership experience. Once you have a fully funded emergency fund, which typically covers 3 to 6 months of living expenses, you can start thinking about a down payment for your new home. This is a crucial step in the home buying process. I recommend a 20% down payment. This amount not only shows financial stability but also has several benefits. A 20% down payment will save you money in the long run by reducing the amount of interest you pay over the life of the loan. It also helps you avoid private mortgage insurance, or PMI, which is an additional cost that can add up over time. PMI is an extra payment that doesn't even go towards your mortgage principal. It's essentially money down the drain. When you're ready to get a mortgage, go for a 15-year fixed-rate mortgage. This type of mortgage offers stability and predictability. Shorter loan terms mean you pay less interest over the life of the loan, which can save you thousands of dollars. Keep your mortgage payment to no more than 25% of your take-home pay. This ensures you have enough money for other expenses and savings. Use a mortgage calculator to see how much house you can afford. This tool can help you set realistic expectations. Factor in other costs like property taxes and closing costs too. These can significantly impact your overall budget and should not be overlooked. When choosing a house, location matters. Think about your commute. How far will you have to travel to work every day? A longer commute means more money spent on gas. It can also lead to increased wear and tear on your vehicle. It also means more time wasted in traffic. Consider the neighborhood amenities. Are there grocery stores, restaurants, and entertainment options nearby? Are there good schools nearby? This is especially important if you have children or plan to in the future. Is it close to parks and shopping? Having recreational areas and shopping centers within a short distance can greatly enhance your quality of life. Don't try to navigate the home buying process alone. It can be overwhelming and stressful. Get help from a real estate professional. They have the expertise and experience to guide you through the process. A buyer's agent can help you find the right home in the right location. They can provide valuable insights into the market. They can also negotiate on your behalf. This can save you money and ensure you get the best deal possible. Remember, buying a home is a big decision. It's important to consider all factors and make sure you're financially prepared. Make sure you are ready before you take the plunge. A well-thought-out decision can lead to years of happiness in your new home.